Woke up feeling like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders? Tight spine, shallow breath, a body already bracing for stress. Let's change that with 5 minutes of freedom and flow. Let's hit the mat. Start on your knees, bring your big toes to touch, knees wide apart, reach your arms forward and melt your forehead into the mat. This is your surrender moment. I promise this posture calms your nervous system while stretching your lower back, hips and shoulders. Beginners, place a pillow under your chest or forehead. Advanced stretches, crawl fingertips further and sink deeper with each exhale. Here's a thought. How you begin your day determines how you carry it. Five more seconds. Just be here. That just grounded your breath. Now let's lengthen your spine. Shift into all fours. Walk your hands forward and drop your chest toward the ground. Keep your hips stacked over your knees. This isn't just about flexibility, it's about space. I promise you'll feel your upper back open and your breath expand with every second. Beginners, rest elbows on the floor or keep arms shorter. Advanced stretches, sink the chest down and press through fingertips. Did you know that this is one of the best stretches to undo tech neck and sitting tension? Feel it yet? If not, push your palms into the ground and soften between the shoulder blades. Now that your spine is open, let's twist it free. Come back to all fours, slide your right arm underneath your chest and across the mat. Let your right shoulder and cheek rest down. This move unravels deep tightness between your shoulder blades. I promise this will unlock knots you didn't know were there. Beginners, keep hips high and reach gently. Advanced switches, use your left hand to press and deepen the rotation. Hold it for 5 more seconds. Twist a little deeper if you can. Now let's balance that reset other side. Switch sides. Slide your left arm under and across. Rest down. Every twist brings clarity, not just to your spine, but to your mental state. I promise the side might feel tighter, but it's exactly where the release needs to happen. Beginners, breathe into the tension. Advanced switches, add a micropulse or reach your opposite arm overhead. Ask yourself, can you let go just 5% more? Trust your breath. That just released the pressure. Now we finish with strength and openness. Come up to a tall kneeling position, clasp your hands behind your back, pull your knuckles down and lift your chest. This is the exhale your body's been waiting for. I promise this will energize your posture, reset your breath and prepare your heart to stay open on and off the mat. Beginners, hold the towel behind your back to bridge the gap. Advanced switches, lift the arms higher and gently arch back. Here's your final challenge. Open your chest, not just your arms. Breathe in, confidence. Exhale, tension. 5 more seconds. That just sets your shoulders back and your soul forward.